Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Well, HBO has not formally commented whatever approximately about the renewal of the Westworld, additionally because the makers of the display are busy with their subsequent challenge on Amazon titled The Peripheral. So Lisa Joy and Jonathan Nolan aren't on that in display currently, and on average it can take around 1.5 years or maybe greater sometimes. So we ought to anticipate Westworld Season 4 Episode 1 now no longer to come on early 2021. So the enthusiast wants to watch for every other 112 months for the display to go back return situation to the truth that this could encompass plenty, cause like it is to whiles the taking picture paintings could begin, and additionally the attention of delays because of the continuing pandemic, which can to end result into a greater delay. We ought to best wait until there is a statement from the makers of the display. According to Nolan, he stated in a record to an information internet site that the subject of season 4 can be much like that of season 3. The tale builder within inside the season 3 finale can be accumulation of the preliminary element within inside the subsequent season, that is season 4 of the Westworld. Bernard, a person within inside the display, steps into chic and springs out. That is how he resembles his function within inside the series. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Well, a maximum of the 4, this is a part of all of the 3 remaining seasons, might also additionally hold on this season as nicely, and as stated, different characters reappear within inside the subsequent season after the stop of the preceding season, even though they could have been killed in that season. Among the outstanding forged of the Westworld, which might also additionally simply be making their manner in the direction of season 4, as nicely perhaps Rodrigo Santoro as Hector Escaton, Aaron Paul as Caleb Nicholas, Thandie Newton as Maeve Millay, Jeffrey Wright as Bernard Lowy or Arnold Weber, Ed Harris as the person in black, William Luke Hemsworth as Ashley Stubbs, Simon Quarterman as Lee Sizemore, and even Rachel Wood, who performs the function of Dolores Abernathy, might also additionally not be a part of the season. Information approximately this function remains awaiting. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.